Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue of client timeout error on the Epic Games launcher or any kind of error that is causing by firewall on the Epic Games launcher. Now in order to fix all of that, just simply go to this search bar and here search for firewall and network protection and hit enter. Now here in this option, you simply need to go to this option that says allow apps to firewall. Click over there. Now once you do it, here you need to select, make sure that the Epic Games launcher is check marked. Like like if I scroll down, I'll see that Epic Games launcher is check marked for both private and public. If it does not, just simply make sure to check it mark for the both of the cases. Once you do it, it will now allow any kind of client activity on the Epic Games launcher, and it will definitely gonna solve your issue.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.